When it comes to efficient transportation, trucks are the backbone of our economy. But road transport is increasing, emissions are rising, and with trucks and buses accounting for roughly 1/4 of all CO2 emissions from road transport, cutting fuel consumption and thereby reducing emissions is essential. For you to stay competitive and for a healthy planet. That's why the EU has introduced new regulations for truck manufacturers. These will mean cutting average CO2 emissions from new heavy-duty vehicles by 15% by 2025 and by 30% by 2030. If manufacturers fail to comply, they will incur penalty payments for each vehicle. And while the current regulations primarily target truck manufacturers, further regulations that will affect fleet operators are expected before long. To ensure the reduction targets are met, the EU has developed a mandatory simulation tool called VECTO. With VECTO, vehicle manufacturers can simulate the CO2 emissions and fuel consumption of individual truck configurations. As inputs, the tool uses a number of standardized parameters. Parameters such as simulated driving behavior, engine performance, aerodynamic drag, and the rolling resistance of the tires. This will provide greater transparency on the emissions and fuel consumption of different vehicle configurations and have a positive impact on the fuel efficiency of your entire fleet. When it comes to tires, rolling resistance is one of the main factors impacting on fuel costs, which can account for up to 30% of your total fleet expenditures. And while tire fuel efficiency is important when buying new truck tires, there are other equally important tire-related performance factors that depend very much on the mission profile of your fleet. The right tires for your business? We help you choose.